Hi, Mark.
Hi, Anna. Good to see you today.
Good to see you too. How are you?
I'm good. I feel relaxed. And you?
I'm good too. It's a nice day.
Yes. The weather is very nice. The sky is blue.
I like days like this.
Me too. Are you here for a walk?
Yes, I want to walk slowly and enjoy the morning.
That sounds good.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6.
Wow, that's early.
Yes. I like early mornings. They are quiet.
I woke up at 7:30.
That is still okay. Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had bread and eggs.
Nice. I had fruit and coffee.
Coffee sounds good.
Yes. I drink coffee every morning.
What are your plans today?
I don't have many plans. I just want to walk and relax.
That's nice.
And maybe I will read a book later.
What book?
A simple English storybook. I read it to practice English.
That's a good idea. I want to practice English too.
How do you practice English?
I listen to slow English videos.
That is good.
I also read simple stories.
Great. Do you speak with anyone?
Not much. I speak a little with my friend.
Speaking practice is very helpful.
Yes, I want to speak more.
We can speak together.
Yes, that's great.
What are your hobbies?
I like walking, reading, and listening to music.
Nice. I like music too.
What music do you like?
I like slow and soft music. It helps me relax.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes. And you?
I like pop music. It makes me happy.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I usually study a little.
English?
Yes, English and sometimes another subject.
That's good. I work in the afternoon.
What do you do?
I work in a small office.
Is it busy?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Do you like your job?
Yes. It is okay.
What do you do in the evening?
I usually watch TV or listen to music.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes. Do you relax in the evening?
Yes, I drink tea and watch videos.
English videos?
Yes, slow English videos.
Good practice. Hi, Anna. You're still here?
Yes, I went home and came back. I want to walk again.
Nice. I'm taking a short break from work.
Oh, you work near here?
Yes, just across the street.
That's convenient. Did you have lunch?
Yes, I had rice and chicken.
That sounds good. What did you eat?
I had noodles.
Noodles are nice.
Yes, simple and easy.
How long have you studied English?
I have studied for 1 year.
That's good. I have studied for 2 years.
Do you study every day?
Not every day, but many days.
That is still very good.
Thank you. I try my best.
Same here. I want to speak better.
Let's practice speaking now.
Okay. I will ask. You answer.
Good.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Good. Why?
It feels calm and nice.
Great answer.
Now I ask you,
Okay.
what is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
Why pizza?
It is simple, tasty, and easy to eat.
Good answer. What is your English goal?
I want to speak slowly and clearly.
Same for me. I want to understand people better.
Yes, listening is hard.
Very hard. But practice helps.
True.
Do you want to travel someday?
Yes, I want to visit a country where people speak English.
That's a great way to practice.
Yes, and you?
I also want to travel. Maybe to a quiet place.
I like quiet places too. What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to rest, clean my room, and watch movies.
What movies do you like?
I like simple comedy movies.
Nice. I like nature documentaries.
Oh, that's interesting.
They teach me new things about the world.
How do you feel today?
I feel calm and happy.
That's good.
And you?
I feel good too. I feel relaxed when I speak slowly.
Yes, slow speaking is easier.
Very true.
Let's practice more.
Sure.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10.
Good. I go to bed at 11.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, usually.
That's good.
My turn.
Okay.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink coffee.
Every day?
Yes, it helps me wake up.
It was nice speaking with you today.
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Let's practice again tomorrow.
Sure.
I would like that.
Have a good evening.
You too, Anna. See you tomorrow.
Good morning, Mark.
Good morning, Anna. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. Are you ready to practice English today?
Yes, I'm ready. I want to practice more speaking.
Great. I feel more confident when I speak slowly.
Same here. Slow speaking helps me think.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well. I went to bed early.
That's good. I went to bed late, so I feel a little tired.
Oh, no. Did you drink tea again at night?
Yes, maybe too much tea.
Tea at night makes it hard to sleep.
True. I will drink less tonight. Do you have a busy day at work today?
Not very busy. I have a few small tasks.
That sounds okay.
Yes. And what about you?
I plan to study English for 2 hours today.
2 hours. Very good.
I want to improve more.
You are improving already. I can see it.
Thank you, Mark. That makes me happy.
Let's practice describing simple things around us.
Okay.
I will start. The tree over there is tall and green.
Good sentence. My turn.
Go ahead.
The bench next to us is brown and old.
Nice. Clear and simple.
Thank you. Your turn.
The flowers near the path are small and yellow.
Very good.
Your turn again.
The sky today is bright and blue.
Perfect. You speak very clearly.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I want to visit my parents. They live 1 hour away.
That's nice.
Yes, I visit them every 2 weeks.
That is very kind.
What about you?
I want to clean my room and maybe watch a simple English movie.
Good practice.
Yes, I listen slowly and try to repeat some sentences.
That method is very helpful.
I should go now. I need to start studying.
And I need to go to work.
It was a nice talk.
Yes, very nice. Let's practice again later.
Sure. Have a good day.
You too, Anna. Bye.
Bye.